Are you ready to grab your slice of the massive $6 billion industry with a simple done-for-you business that you can operate out of the comfort of your own home? If so, then pay close attention to this video and carefully follow the steps laid out on this page as we reveal how you can create eye-popping, high-converting promo deals that make our push-button software the easiest and the most profitable service you'll ever offer to local business owners. Your new deal pages are absolutely gorgeous. They can actually sell themselves, so you never have to worry about cold calling, prospect, or putting up with rude gatekeepers that stand between you and important decision makers ever again. Hi, this is Steve Rosenbaum, the creator of the Flawless Follow-Up program and a fellow local marketing agency owner with nearly 4 decades experience helping businesses bring customers through the door. On behalf of my incredible partners, Chris Jenkins and Pratty, I want to introduce you to an incredible new opportunity. But first, let me tell you why this is going to work so well for you. Now, I've literally worked with and trained tens of thousands of business owners from all over the world. And I can tell you, there's one thing that all local business owners love: deals. That's right, I'm talking about sales, events, promotions, anything that gets customers excited and eager to buy from them. Now, of course, you know this is true, right? Because just a few short years ago, you saw a small little company bootstrap their way from startup to over $3 billion in sales. That's right, I'm talking about Groupon. Now, talk about a home run. Groupon was absolutely right that business owners love deals. In fact, at their peak, Groupon had over 53.9 million active users. Think about that, 53.9 active customers. Imagine having just a 1% slice of that pie. Well, here's the good news. You absolutely can have a slice of that massive pie. In fact, Groupon's massive success actually paved the way for you to swoop on in and save the day for local businesses everywhere. Here's why. You see, while local businesses and shoppers, they still love great deals, but Groupon's revenues are tanking because Groupon's business model sucks. It literally sucks all the profits away from local businesses. Groupon's pricing model is extremely risky. It takes 75% of all revenue from the local business. And you know what? It's uncapped. It has actually created massive losses for many businesses that have tried it. You see, businesses want and need a solution for great promotions, but they need a more fair business model. And this gap in the marketplace is why we created EZdeals. Let me share with you a mistake I made years ago, because I don't want you to repeat my mistake. It cost me hours and hours of wasted work and hundreds of dollars out of my pocket. See, one of my clients, they wanted to run a special promotion. I advised him that we needed to create a simple sales page, a deals page, so that we could advertise it on Facebook and in local media. He loved the idea. Now, I thought it would be a simple process. Boy, was I wrong. First, I contacted some local web builders and asked them to build the page. They wanted way too much money, and it wouldn't leave me any room for profit of my own. So I thought I would use one of those popular click and build funnel programs, but they wanted several $100s each and every month. Plus, there'd still be a huge learning curve. So instead, I decided to buy developer rights to a popular WordPress page builder program. I spent countless hours learning how to use it. And you know what? None of their templates matched what I was trying to do. And in the end, the pages, they just look terrible. Boy, I wish I had then what I'm about to reveal to you in just a few moments. But first, you need to know that my experience was no isolated experience. No siree. Right now, there are thousands of local business owners in your area, and they need help with one major problem. A problem that you can fix in just minutes from now, even if you've never made a dime online or offline before. As you know, local businesses, they rely on discount sales and daily deals to get customers through their doors. In fact, studies show that 97% of businesses run discount deals to attract new customers and increase their sales. This is great for you, because most business owners already understand the value of running deals, discounts, and sales, but they have no clue how to run them on their websites. And they're sick and tired of deal sites like Groupon that take the majority of their profits and don't even help them build a list of their customers. It's time for you to become the next local marketing superhero and save the day with EZdeals. EZdeals is a cutting-edge local sales promo page software, and it makes it push-button simple for you to create and publish high-converting deals pages for your clients in just mere seconds. Your clients will love you because now they can affordably run deals of the day special offers and offer discounts that bring in free traffic. build their list and make them tons of sales, and even build them a huge database of brand new customers, all on autopilot. EZdeals automatically creates stunning, mobile-friendly, traffic-generating deal pages for your clients in under 60 seconds, while you collect easy cash simply for pushing a few buttons. There are absolutely no skills required. EZdeals can work for you whether you have an existing agency or even if you're looking for the easiest way ever to land your very first paying client. EZdeals makes it easy as 1, 2, 3. Step 1. Choose from ready-made, high-converting templates in the highest-paying niches. Step 2. Add high-converting features like countdown timers, quantity boxes, and even embed your clients' videos. And Step 3. Use our built-in traffic technology to bring your clients free customers fast. That's it. You're ready to charge your client with a stunning-looking EZdeals page that will make them forget about those other group coupon sites and turn you into their new marketing superhero. But that's not all. EZdeals also has built-in retargeting technology that brings people back to your client's website and turns them into cash like clockwork. EZdeals is by far the simplest to use, yet it's the most powerful promo builder. And it comes standard with state-of-the-art conversion features that will blow your clients away so they want to hire you today. You can add countdown timers, quantity boxes, and even embed video. Custom thank you pages with upsells that increase their sales and profits. Built-in social sharing that brings them free traffic and customers. Ready to go retargeting technology. Of course, all designs are 100% mobile optimized. You even get powerful reporting and an easy-to-use page manager backend. Even more profitable services that your clients will pay you for today. Now, local businesses, they already understand the power of discounts and special deals, so you don't need to convince them. You will never have to do any cold calling or hard selling because these stunning EZdeals pages practically sell themselves. Your clients will gladly hire you because you're helping them avoid deal sites like Groupon that take a massive cut from each and every sale. So get ready to become the local superhero as you skyrocket your client sales with push-button video, high-converting countdown timers, limited quantity messages, and so much more. And EZdeals pages always look pixel perfect on any screen size or device. In the past, creating a deals page like this would have taken you hours of hard work, plus hundreds of dollars of software subscriptions each and every month. Now it takes just seconds without monthly subscriptions and without all those expensive tools clogging your computer. Forget clunky, buggy, hard to work with WordPress plugins. Forget overpriced landing page tools with steep learning curves, and never have to pay for costly freelance coders and designers ever again. EZdeals is the fastest, the easiest, and the most affordable way to create money-making deals pages for local business owners today. Best of all, you're really going to like this. EZdeals was created by local marketers for local marketers. We are local marketers just like you. We share your frustrations. We're fed up with the tools out there that cost way too much and provide too little, which is exactly why we created EZdeals to fill the massive void in the marketplace. EZdeals is the tool you've been waiting for. So hurry up, because EZdeals is available today for a one-time only investment that could easily pay for itself for years to come. Our friendly support team are on standby, and they're eager to help you. Plus, we've got step-by-step guides and tons of training to get you up and running in the fastest time possible. You get everything you see on this page. Plus, you'll never have to worry about technology changing or privacy and security issues or complicated hosting issues because our professional team is managing all of that for you 24/7, 365. So join us today as we change local marketing forever. It's all waiting for you inside your EZdeals dashboard. Grab EZdeals today.